Discover how far two colors can take you. In this Riga, Latvia watercolor tutorial, we'll build a complex European cityscape using only two Schmincke supergranulating paints, letting their natural separation, texture, and gravity do most of the heavy lifting. Instead of drowning in tiny windows and rooftops, you'll learn to suggest detail, not paint it, capturing Riga's old world architecture with loose shapes, confident marks, and the supergranulating magic these pigments deliver. If you want to level up your urban scenes with minimal fuss and maximum impact, this lesson is your new secret weapon. Today I'm working on a street scene of Riga, Latvia, and I'm using Schmincke supergranulating colors. These are really interesting colors because they're all made of two or three colors in a tube. I did a color study before this, and I decided to use desert yellow next to Tundra Violet. Now I don't want to mix these two colors together too much because they're all two or three colors. If you mix 5 colors together, you're basically just going to get mud. So the idea when I started with the sky wash is I started with desert yellow and angle, let gravity bring everything downhill. And then I switched over to Tundra Violet and I put the two colors next to each other, came back with water and let them touch and kiss as opposed to mixing them together. It creates this beautiful transition from the yellow to purple without making mud. Now I'm coming into the buildings. With the buildings, I want to keep things kind of loose but geometric. So I'm doing some big washes in certain sections, and while the paint is still wet, I'm coming back into here with a palette knife and I'm scratching back to the white of the paper with the palette knife. This is a beautiful way to create the impression of details without actually having to paint anything. You just scratch back to the white. And then you go back in while it's also wet too and drop down some darker darks. So I'm just doing some window shapes, geometric shapes, working my way across the street right now and onto the other side of the buildings, doing the exact same thing, scratching and scraping, a little bit of swearing, a lot of coffee drinking, putting some more darks down there, and then I'm starting to get into the street scene here where the people are. I want the people to be some of the darkest objects in the picture so that they come forward, and I want to have the center of attention into the background where there's that maximum contrast of the bell tower of that church coming up next to the people. And it's just a back and forth process, push and pull, scratch, scrape, again, swear, drink some more coffee, until you think it looks okay, and that's the hardest point. At some point in time, you got to quit. So then I quit and I said, good enough. I'll make some adjustments later. Here's the almost finished painting. And then here is the final finished painting. With just 2 supergranulating colors, we created a believable Riga cityscape by leaning into texture, gravity, and suggestion, not meticulous detail. This is the power of a limited palette. Clarity, atmosphere, and rich granulation doing the work for you. Keep experimenting. Keep simplifying and let the pigments perform. And if you enjoyed this content, please hit subscribe. If you're interested in all the materials used in this painting, check out the YouTube description below. Thank you for watching and happy painting.